Hi Maran, can you hope you're well? I'm super excited to tell you guys that I have launched my 30 different shades of liquid lipsticks and 9 different shades of lip glosses. I have been waiting for this day for so long because me and my team was working so hard to achieve this formula. I'm proud of myself that finally I have achieved this formula and we are ready to announce that we have launched our lip glosses and lipsticks. The formula is extremely pigmented, it is creamy in consistency, it glides on so smooth. You don't need multiple layers of the liquid lipstick because it is heavy coverage formula. Just apply one layer of the liquid lipstick and you're good to go. You don't need a second layer. As a makeup artist, I know what kind of liquid lipstick people like, so we have decided to give moisture to the liquid lipstick. It is not completely moisturized liquid lipstick. It dries matte and it has velvet finish in it. It is lightweight formula. This formula is smudge proof and waterproof. But let me tell you one thing, it is not extremely smudge proof. With the extremely smudge proof formula, you will feel uncomfortable throughout the day, and obviously it feels and look really dry on the lips. Sometimes you can see the cracks on the lips and feel really uncomfortable as well. I don't want extremely smudge proof formula. I wanted you to feel comfy throughout the day, feel really light as well when you wear our formula. Remember, this is not moisturized formula, but it has hint of moisture in it. Let me talk about my lip glosses. My lip glosses are made with advanced formula. These lip glosses are dream for a girl. I'm telling you guys, we worked really hard. Our lip glosses are not runny. These are thick in consistency. They don't spread. When you wear our lip glosses, if you're not a lip glosses lover, believe me, when you wear our lip glosses, you're going to fall in love. They are not runny. They feel really smooth. It gives moisture to the lips and they will not bleed. The main thing is it is not sticky, because when I used to wear lip glosses, I started to hate the lip glosses because they used to feel kind of sticky on my lips. So I wanted really smooth and non-sticky formula. That's why I decided to create a formula which is a non-sticky formula. I really wanted non-sticky formula. It's smooth and give moisture to the lips. We have finally achieved this formula. It is amazing. If you're not lip gloss lover, you're going to love this formula, I'm telling you. Let me show you the packaging of my lip glosses. This is how my liquid lipstick looks like. And this is how my lip gloss looks like. I'm going to show you now how you can apply our lipstick. Can you see the consistency now? Thick, only one layer. This is how it looks like when it gets dry. Let me show you the consistency here. It gives kind of matte velvet finish. Now I'm applying these two colors. Now I'm going to use this gloss. This is how our lip glosses look like when you wear these lip glosses. Guys, this is how our lip glosses look like when you wear our lip glosses. These are not sticky. These are heavy coverage lip glosses. Do you remember I wore really dark brown lipstick, and after applying this lip gloss, it looks really pigmented and light. Guys, the good news is we are having Black Friday sale as well on our website. Go and get advantage of this offer and give us review. I will see you in my next video.